Just look at him. Look at him. Just look at him. What is it doing? So here we are at the place called the Pine Forest, and there's a shooting place over here that we'll go out and check what this place is all about. We have parked our motorcycle right here. I just hope that the monkeys do not come and start fiddling with these bags, because I've been to some places where monkeys kind of they mess up the place big time. There were some motorcycles parked at one place in Chamundeshwari Hill in Mysore, and what they did. अपनी चाय का है? Go. Ooty, here we come. So we are on our way to Ooty, and we stopped here for breakfast. And the thing about the place is, this place that you are seeing, where we just had our breakfast, we had that in the form of idlis, and for some reason I seem to have, or rather we seem to have liked the idli and the sambar so much here. The idli, the sambar, and the chutney. So I'm just showcasing the shop in case you are passing by this place. You can also taste the idli and sambar offered here. Now this place is opposite to Sri Chaitanya Techno School of Madhya. So this is coming to you straight from Ooty. So elegant, so beautiful, just looking like a wow. Just look at this scenery behind me. That speaks so much about the beauty of nature. और अभी जो मौसम है इतना गुलाबी गुलाबी सा हो रखा है कि मतलब क्या बोले, बस मज़े ही मज़े। रुके हैं यहाँ पे चाय पीने के लिए। अपनी चाय का है और ये चाय का रंग थोड़ा सा नारंगी टाइप का नहीं है, हाँ? ये है पहाड़ों वाली चाय। Cheers. So at this time of the year, Ooty smells good, Ooty looks good, and Ooty definitely feels good. And that too when you have a cup of tea, sipping a hot cup of tea in a climate like this feels so beautiful. बहुत मज़े आ रहे हैं। बहुत वक्त हो चुका था कि मैं यहाँ पे लास्ट आया था और इनके साथ तो पहली दफ़ा हम यहाँ पे पधारे हैं, तो डेफिनेटली दिस विल बी मेमोरेबल। सो वी आर स्टिल अबाउट 40-45 minutes from the hill station. The mist in the air and the evening sky, this beautiful, is making up for the delay that we have seen while coming to Ooty because of traffic, of course, and secondly because tomorrow is the 25th. There is a lot of people coming towards Ooty, and there's a lot of influx and outflux to and from Ooty, because of which the roads are pretty packed, and that's why we have also not been rushing things. But just look at this evening. Just look at this evening. Look at the hills. Alright, so I just wanted to show you how Ooty is at this time of the year. Cheers. Look there, there's the moon. So we have the setting sun and the rising moon, which makes it even more beautiful. So I guess in the next 1 hour we would have touched Ooty. She is super excited because she has never been here, and she has never actually been this far from home. The way she has been visiting places with me, and that too on a motorcycle. Alright, so as a part of our Ooty exploration, we have arrived here at Dodda Betta. So if I could show you this. Sure. ठीक है? जीस कोई नहीं? कोई नहीं, जीस कोई नहीं. Some new friends. Alright, so a few more friends. So the best thing, like I told you, when we come for a visit, meeting new people, making new friends, that's one of the most favorite things of mine. So this place that we are headed over to, it's some sort of a telescopic house from where we can have a close-up view of remote places. Because we have few other places on the list that we'll have to cover. Alright, so here we are at the place called the Pine Forest. Here they are. Okay. I just hope that these creatures do not bring about some kind of inconvenience. Just look at him. Look at him. Just look at him. What is it doing? See, what I was telling you about, this is the exact thing that I was telling you. Hey, shh, shh, shh. Just look at it. What they have done is something that I'm a little apprehensive of. They took things out of I don't think there was a bag or something, people. See? See? Just look at it. Oh, shh, 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 shh. Hey.
শপ ফেলে দিয়েছে কাজ জানি
I know. That's what I'm scared about. Let me show you some drama. See. Might be some sort of an exercise for them, but this is not at all recreational. Nice place to exercise is Tiba. I know I'm feeling so bad about it. But even if I stop him from doing that, the moment I leave, he is sure to come do that again.
চলো চলে যাই
দেখ না কিটা করতেছে, এখনো তো ওইদিকে একটাও যায়নি। আমার মনে হয় ওইদিকে যে গাছের ছায়া নেই না, তাই বলে এখনো তো কেউ যায়নি।
চলো 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 চলো
The monkeys have literally messed up everything that was there on the motorcycle.
চলো